Hello everyone. Let's see how we can select a column in a Pandas data frame. Alright, so here in the first line we have imported Pandas library. In the second line we have imported display from IPython. So display is to visualize the data frame. So in the second cell, we have loaded our data frame, our CSV file, using the read CSV function. We have called it table, and if you display this table, you see the data frame here. So in this data frame, we have a bunch of months as your column labels and a bunch of years for different rows. Now, suppose you want to look at the numbers for the month of March. What you could do, you could display table and open brackets, close brackets. In between, you could put March because the label for this column is March. So if you put March here in square brackets, you get access to the values for this month. So 46683 and the name is March. So for March 46683. So that's how you would select a column if you know the name of the column. But if you don't know the name of the column and you only know that it's the third, for example, like here we have this is our zeroth column, this is our first, second, March is our third column. If you know you're gonna visualize the third column, how you would do that. You could say display of table, open brackets, close brackets. In between, you could say table dot columns and the third one. So if you run this, you get access to the third column, which is again March, and you have all the values exactly the same way as you did in this cell using the column label. That's it for today. Thank you so much.